Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's recent echocardiogram. The ejection fraction has decreased significantly. We need to discuss a more aggressive treatment plan.
I understand Dr. Mihira. His symptoms have been worsening, and he's been experiencing more fatigue.
We should consider increasing his beta blocker dosage. It can help improve heart function and reduce symptoms.
I'll inform the patient and monitor his response to the increased dosage. Should we also adjust his diuretic?
Let's reassess his fluid status and adjust the diuretic accordingly. We want to manage his congestive heart failure symptoms while avoiding excessive fluid retention.
I'll also ensure he's adhering to his sodium-restricted diet and limiting fluid intake.
That's important. We should also discuss the possibility of a cardiac rehabilitation program. It can help improve his overall heart health and reduce symptoms.
I'll schedule a consultation with the cardiac rehabilitation team, Dr. Mihira. Mihira, I want you to know that what you're going through is incredibly common, and please don't be hard on yourself. These kinds of injuries happen to so many people, and the most important thing right now is that it's not serious and you are safe. Your body is strong, and it knows how to heal, so let's allow it the time and gentleness it needs. While you recover, it's a perfect moment to gently look around your home with a sense of care rather than worry. These small changes are simply acts of kindness to yourself. For instance, taking a moment to secure a rug that might slip is like giving a gift to your future self, creating a safe, flat surface. Similarly, whenever you use stairs or enter the bathroom, seeing those sturdy handrails as a reliable helping hand can make all the difference. And consider your footwear as a trusted friend. Wearing shoes or slippers with a good, non-slip grip keeps you firmly and confidently connected to the ground. Mihira, think of these steps not as restrictions, but as a soft cocoon of safety you are wrapping around yourself, allowing you to move through your days with greater peace of mind and confidence.